Hello everyone, I'm Shan. I'm doing a toy airplane design. In last step, I finished the rough modeling and now I'm going to the details. In my design, this airplane is composed of laser cutting parts and 3D printing parts, which are the main structure and accessories of the airplane. I start with researching. I wish my design could display the 3D printing in different structure and details, so I was seeking Gundam design as an inspiration. After referring the design language of Gundam, I continue improving my design by sketching. As you can see, there are 11 spare parts in the final design version. Then I focus on improving their details one by one. It is obvious that when there are many details in your model, the smaller side it has, the more details it will lose. Therefore, when I was sketching, I paid a lot of attention to the visibilities and scale of these spare parts. Then I move to the modeling step. As usual, I use Rhino for modeling developing. There were 11 spare parts I need to model. This is a huge work and it approximately took 2 days to finish. Therefore, I just show a part of the modeling process here. This is the 3D effect when I finish the spare parts design. In the next step, I started with calculating the each board size of the main structure. The thickness of each extruded surface is 3mm. In this case, I could use 3mm NTF and acrylic from Almighty Workshop store. After laser cutting, I had to check if these boards fit to each other. If everything is perfect, then I could export the Illustrator file and cut it in Building 100. After that, I put the STL form file in Z-Suit software and successfully sent the printing file to technical staff in 45. I kept the printing space tight as small as I can, then I put them to the corner in order to save more space for other students' model. Then I moved to the laser cutting and 3D printing process. To be honest, I'm not really satisfied with the outcome of 3D printing effect. The first problem is that I didn't calculate the right tolerance of the joints. Leading spare parts cannot fit to each other. In order to display the final effect on class, I had to stick the accessories and the laser part together with using tapes. Secondly, when 3D printing, uneven heating leads the model shrinking, thus I need to reprint some of them. However, I interviewed technical staff Tim. He will explain why this shrinking happens in this video.
Temperamental. What happens is if that part of the model is a different temperature to that part of the model, it starts to contract. Shrinks, exactly right. And so that happens when the model has a non-uniform non-uniform temperature to it. And it starts to contract and it literally curls up off the bed. And you can see it's like actually pretty far back where it's come off. So what we might have to do is, the rest of the parts seem fine.
Yeah.
This has come up a little bit.
But it's fine.
But I think it's only the raft which has been affected. I think the actual part, you might have to check it. Is it supposed to be flat on the bottom of that? Yeah, because it doesn't look flat.